Hey everybody, I'm Jody Akerman with Keller Williams.
Hi, and I'm Bruce McLaughlin with Eagle Home Mortgage.
And we are in the beautiful Pioneer Park in Puyallup, Washington today. So I wanted to get some information for all my clients about the programs that can help first-time home buyers. So what programs are those, Bruce?
There are many programs available, not only for first-time home buyers, but also for a move-up buyer.
What is a move-up buyer?
A move-up buyer is someone that wants to sell their current home and they're looking at buying a new house. And so maybe they want to take some of the equity that they have and pay off some existing bills. And maybe after they pay those bills off, they don't have a ton of equity to put down for the next house. Some fear that they need a lot more equity if it's their second home, where in fact, a lot of these programs will work for first-time home buyers and second-time or third-time people that are buying another home.
Well, that's great to hear. What about first-time home buyers that may not have a lot of money saved up?
There are several options available for them. Those options range from the FHA, VA, and USDA loan. The FHA loan offers as little as 3.5% down, and that money can come from different areas such as a grant, a gift from a family, the down payment assistance programs. There's many different ways of looking at that. The VA is amazing for military families, and there also is a program available for USDA, which is a zero down program, but it's more limited to rural areas or more outside the normal areas. So sometimes people don't like those restrictions that are on the USDA, so they want to find other zero down payment options.
So are there any other down payment programs for people that want to live outside those areas?
Yes, there are other options available. With cooperation of Washington State Housing Finance Commission, we offer a program that provides 3 to 4% down payment to assist the clients with the down payment and some of their closing costs. This program provides an interest-free second mortgage, and that loan needs to be paid off at sale or when they refinance the house or when they pay it off, but it's completely interest-free. Another option we have is our own in-house program called the Eagle Edge. The Eagle Edge provides a grant to the borrower that covers the down payment, and the grant does not need to be paid back.
So are there any limitations to those programs?
There are some limitations. There are credit score minimums, there are income limits, and a few other items that we need to review for the client.
So when you say that there's too much income, what is too much income?
The income limits vary from program to program, so some of them have a limit from $95,000 to $125,000 and even higher. So what I do is I figure out what's best for each client and what's best for the particular profile and figure out the best option.
All right, guys, that was just the tip of the iceberg, but we have a lot more information for you. So if you guys need any help at all, feel free to reach out. My information's in the description, and I'll get you in touch with Bruce, and we will help you guys buy a house.